If you're an experienced trader, you've been here a while, that means this is the entry, which is somewhere in this candle, and there's your payday, right? It pulls back. Everybody knows to shed. It keeps pulling. We can shed, shed, shed. We get very nervous up here, right? You guys could shed. It's up to you. Otherwise, hang on. But everybody in this room knows 1000%. If this breaks and holds above VWAP and we're in a put, what do we do, everyone? I don't care how much you are in or out of the money. What do we do?
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you. Right here, we're out. And now listen, we got in up here, right? No matter what, we still made money even when it pulled through. Do you see it? Now we wait until the next directional change. The rest of this, we don't get to trade because we got out. Okay. If we get out, we wait. Otherwise, we're scalping. We have to wait for the next setup. Now we're looking at the next setup. So here it is, a changed color. Here is your first candle that you would have entered. That's this one because now it is larger than these other two, which means you got in somewhere around this candle.